Yapmala Motorsports Club, in collaboration with the Motorsports Club of Meghalaya, is organizing the first Yapmala Northeast Motocross Championships 2021 on 10th and 11th December 2021 at Yapmala in East Jaintia Hills. The main attractions include swimming competition, fashion show by local designers, and a DJ night featuring DJ Jelly, DJ Defrex, DJ Sen and DJ Daffy. Tent stay will be made available for campers on both days. The event is sponsored by Michael Nongtadu, Eccentric and Oldest Shillong. So people, come let your hair down and enjoy the taste of food, fashion and music at the event.
More details, contact 93627-83292 and 98628-23900.
Don't miss it.
The working president of the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, James Lyngdoh, announced his resignation from his position and his membership from the Congress Party at a press conference held on 1st December 2021. James Lyngdoh also informed that currently he will not associate himself with any political party, though he will be involved in politics in the state. Speaking to reporters, James Lyngdoh informed that his decision to dissociate himself from the Indian National Congress is due to alleged mismanagement within the party at the state level. Lyngdoh also added that as per the working constitution of the All India Congress Committee, all committees that are to be constituted have to be done so after a meeting between the new Mpcc president, the CLP leader and all working presidents. However, after the taking over of Vincent H. Pala as president of the Mpcc, no such meeting was called for and neither was there a joint signatory by the PCC president and CLP leader in documents where the same is required, alleged former working president of the Mpcc, James Lyngdoh.
Meeting about party. They call us a meeting in Delhi on the 18th. I've told everything what is there. First, about that they denotify me for the election of the convener from the Mauplang constituency. And sad to say, as a working president of the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, they changed the password of the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee without my knowledge. A president can call one call, see, James, I will change your password, and the word which I used to do as administration and all, that also has taken away from me. And all the things, I have no work anymore in the Congress. I am a man who works. That's why I have to leave the party to search work, because they don't give me any work now. Kim I come to inga, come don come to inga hakani kapati, but nga tharai lo ba kim so don come to inga hakani kapati na ta daw ngalarai ba ngan wi no na kani kaseng kajun kani kaseng.